Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. Today I'm going to start a possible new segment on my channel, and it's going to be called The Magical Table of Tools. I, on occasion, as you know, buy tools, some of them with the intention of using them, which I haven't, and hopefully some of these tools in the future I will actually be using on my channel, because come next year there possibly may be a change to my channel that will free up time to be able to do more videos, which I hope I most certainly can. But for now, let's go and look at the magical table of tools. A lot of these tools that I've gotten, I've been inspired by other YouTubers to get. A lot of them I could say is from Eric O's channel, or being up at Eric O's with him and seeing him use some of these. But these Easy Red, the Kiwi pliers, I thought these were great. The stuff that's not even open yet because I haven't been doing any work in my own personal garage because work has been nuts with overtime. So I got all these in anticipation of using them. So there is the Kiwi pliers, the two-piece set, KWP2. Got them on Amazon. You can look them up if you'd like. Once again, Eric O inspired, and I'm actually glad that I bought these now, because I may be buying, well, not this particular set, because this is the 1/2-inch drive nano impact sockets. I don't have the 1/2-inch nano, but I do have the 3/8 nano. So these are the short sockets, which I think, I think they'd be very, very useful. And you can find these on Amazon, Tooltopia, wherever. The part number for these guys, 78215, if anybody is so interested. Then, of course, this is the 3/8 drive set, the nanos. 78314 is the part number. So these particular ones, I bought. They come with the rail. The rail comes with it, which I think is cool. And I have the 3/8 Air Nano, as I said, impact. The other thing that I bought, which I hope to use because I have a few uses, a few places I need to use this, and this is the Steelman wireless chassis here. These are wireless. I've seen other people use them. I'm hoping that the wireless works well, and I want to do the some videos with them. This is the 97202. I think I bought these on Tooltopia. Like I said, if you look them up, you can find them. And basically, what you get in the set there, this is your carrying case. Batteries come with it. You get the unit itself. You get the clips, of course, to be able to clip on to whatever component that you want to check to see if it's vibrating. And of course your wireless transmitters that you can put on. Clip. There's a set of earphones, so if you want to hear better. Okay. You get Velcro straps and ties to be able to tie your little transmitters on to make sure they don't fall off. So when I use it, I'll video it, and it'll probably be my first time. Your little pad where you have each one of them, so you know each channel, good, bad, location, your vehicle. So that is the Steelman chassis ears. Then the other tools that I have to show, I wanted to thank Eric O at South Main Auto, because he was nice enough to give me a Power Probe 4, which I hope to use in future videos. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet, but I've been so dang busy that just no time. I have Power Probe 3, which I really like. So I'm looking for the number on this. This is PP401AS, Papa 401 Alpha Sierra. If you're so interested in this, I'm sure you can find these on Amazon or on the internet. And also, in anticipation of my Redline smoke machine that I want to get, this is the Easy Intake 950082. Like I said, I hope to do videos with all this stuff. The Redline, I'm in negotiations to get one of those right now. I am definitely going to have one, because as I said, in the future, possibly next year, I am hoping to be able to have time to do more videos. So, once again, this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See ya.